Hi guys, my name is Kiki and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, this is my very first YouTube video, but I've always wanted to do YouTube. I love makeup and I've always been told that I'm pretty good at it, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Today I'm going to be showing you guys just my basic like glam makeup. I kind of do the same thing every single time that I wear glam makeup because I don't wear glam makeup a lot, so I don't have a lot of opportunities to play around with it. But I think as I make more videos for this channel, I'll probably do that since it's kind of giving me the opportunity. It gives me a reason to do makeup. I don't have a lot of reasons to do makeup. So I'm kind of going through this together, okay? So just work with me, learn with me. I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm not trying to say that I am. I probably do a lot of things wrong. I do a lot of things in weird orders, but it's just what works for me. So, okay, anyway. I'm gonna start by taking this Hangover RX primer by Too Faced because it's literally the only primer I have. I don't really like primer that much. Normally I just like moisturize, but I like the way it smells, so we're just gonna put it all over our face and rub it in. I kind of use it as a moisturizer. It just works really nicely on my skin, so you know. Next I'm gonna be taking my Superstay Full Coverage Maybelline foundation. That is not my skin tone at all because I bought all my foundation over the summer when I had fake tan. So nothing matches, but you know, since it's winter now and I wear things that are like high on my neck pretty much every day, no one can tell. You can't tell that it's not my skin tone because I just make it match my neck and then you're good. That's really all you gotta do. So yeah, I just start by putting dots all around my face and then I take my Morphe Y6 brush and just kind of smear it all around. I don't really like the way that this works on the forehead because it's just a really big brush, so it's not a good thing to do on my forehead, but it's okay because I go over it with a beauty blender, smooth everything out because obviously you don't want to go out looking like this, but and then I normally just take the excess on my brush and bring it down my neck. Because like I said before, none of my foundation matches my skin tone because I'm pale and I don't want to be. So I buy colors that are a little more not pale, you know. Okay, should be good. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my Tarte concealer. I don't know if you guys care about what colors I use, you probably don't. They're not right for my skin tone anyway, so it's not like it really matters. But yeah, this is my Tarte concealer. I'm almost completely out of it, so that's fun. I put this under my eyes, a little on my forehead, cover any blemishes, around my lips, because that's where I tend to get like the most bits and like acne scars. A little bit on the tip of the nose, and then I put a little bit on my eyelids. Kind of use it as my primer, I guess, I don't know. And I just go with my beauty blender and dab that out. Alright, so next I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I guess I'll do them on camera, even though literally everyone does them off camera, but I don't think I need to. I don't know, I'm not crazy about my brows. I don't do them that often. I used to do them every single day actually in high school. I literally did full face makeup every single day. Honestly, just because I loved it. I thought it was like the most fun thing in the whole world, so. Alright, so once I'm done with my eyebrows, just like filling them in, I then carve them out with my Shape Tape concealer using a little flat brush like this. I don't know, I feel like it just gets the job done better than everything else that I have really, so. Alright, so I just carved my brows out with concealer. I hate the way this one looks, but I don't care because I'm only doing this makeup for the video and I'm not going anywhere, so I don't care. That's really it. Alright, so next, I don't bake because I just don't like the way it looks on my skin. Whenever I bake, I feel it looks extra dry and like flaky and just crusty. But I do use powder, obviously, to set it. You don't want to look oily either, so, you know. I just use the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and then I take like a slanted flat top brush. This one, I got this at Marshall's. It's by Urban Studio. Literally no idea what that even is. But I just take this under my eyes and kind of pat it into the skin. Ooh. It is creasing today. And around the mouth. I try to avoid like my highlight zones, like the tip of my nose and then like tops of my cheeks, because I feel like the highlighter kind of clings better to the foundation when it's still wet. And I put this over my eyes too. Okay, now I'm gonna go on to my eyeshadow. I usually use this Too Faced Natural Eyes palette. I got this at Marshall's also. Just saying, Marshall's is literally like great for lower priced high-end makeup. But also, forgot one of my eyeshadows actually exploded in my makeup bag last week. So there's eyeshadow all over this, and now it's all over my hand. So that's cute, we love that. Super fun and fresh, okay. I start with this brush from Luxie. It's 205 tapered blending brush, and I go in with the color Nudie right here, and I kind of work that into my crease or my transition part. I literally don't know anything. I'm not a makeup artist, okay? I'm not a makeup guru. I don't know what I'm doing, let's be honest, okay? Okay. So yeah, I just kind of work that into this part of the eye. You'll be able to see better on this one. That's probably better. Yeah, now you can actually see me and not my wall. Sorry, my bad. All right, I kind of just do that to start off with, just kind of give you like a base to work with. And then I take a little more, this is more like thick, like there's more bristles in it. It's not as fluffy, it's more like compact. And I use this with the colors, just darker browns like Cashmere Bunny. That's what I normally take first. And a little bit of Sexpresso. Yeah. And I kind of work that into like the outer portion of my eye. I just really like the way this makes like my eyes look. I feel like it looks a little more like glam, a little more like nighttime partying kind of vibe. Like I wouldn't wear this during the day because that's a bit much. It's just a little bit dark, I think. I like lighter makeup for daytime. You know, like going to school, like going out to get Starbucks, like whatever. And then I go back in with this brush to kind of blend out the harsh lines and stuff like that. So it just all kind of is more cohesive and works together a little better on my eyelid. Okay, I'm a little itchy. And then after that, I take another, just a flat top brush. This one is Morphe. Doesn't have a number on it. I got it in like a set of brushes, and I guess I just didn't come with numbers because this one doesn't have one on it. So, but yeah, it looks like that. Okay, there you go. And then I take a little bit of Push Up and Honey Pot, which is like it's like a gold and like a more like pinky shimmer. I really like the combination of this on my eye. Okay, I'm gonna go in and darken it up a little bit more. I'm gonna use this brush, kind of like a dome shape. My dogs are literally running around chasing each other right now, so don't mind that. Again with Sexpresso, and just work it more into the outer portion of my eye just to darken it up even more. I like it to kind of fade, so I want it to be like the darkest out here and then like slowly transition into lighter. Then I go back in with my fluffy brush and smooth everything out a little bit once again. You'll blend, blend, blend. That's what you gotta do. All right. That's really all I do for my eyeshadow. Well, the top part. And then I go in on the bottom lash line and I take the darkest colors again. So Cashmere Bunny and Sexpresso. And I kind of work that in under my lash line and kind of like to this part of my eye. I don't like it to be on the full part of my bottom lash line, but like I want it to look a little like smoked out. You know, love that. All right, so next up I'm gonna go in with my pencil liner. This is by L'Oreal, and it's their like darkest color eyeliner. It's really dull right now, so like wish me luck, it's gonna be literally impossible. But I just bring this on my lash line. I don't mind if it's kind of sloppy because I like it to be a little smoked out. I just think it makes the look as a whole like softer. All right, so I just kind of put that, I put it to about here on my eye, because then I go in with my liquid liner after and then like connect it to the inner corner. And I also just use the smudger end of the eyeliner to kind of push it down right to meet my lashes so there's no like gap between it. And then I also take the eyeliner and put it on my waterline. Not my waterline, the inside of my lash line. You'll see what I mean. I literally just stabbed my eye and that hurt like a but it's fine. I just put it right in there. You see what I mean? You know what I mean. You guys got it. And then I take my Kat Von D tattoo liner and I connect it to the inner corner. All right, so that's it for the eyeliner. I do my lashes last, So the rest of this look is going to look a little crazy until I am on the last step with it, which is lashes. So just gotta like give me a break, okay? All right, next I go on with my contour, and for contour I use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, I literally don't know how to say that at all, in the color medium / deep. Just a nice little like matte bronzer. I don't really like shimmery bronzers because they just don't work that well in my opinion. Like I just don't like the way that looks, because you want it to be matte so that it looks like shading, so it looks like your cheekbones are naturally just, you know, cut, even though they're not, okay? But first I take my Luxie brush again, and this is fine because I only use this. The color I use on my eyes is like similar to the color of my contour, so like it's okay if it transfers a little bit. Pick up some of the contour powder on my brush, and then I put it on the tip of my nose and kind of just all under my nose to give it more of like a lifted effect. And then I also put it right above my nose just so it looks a little more like short. Oh my god, my lights are turning off. All right, well, that looks really bad, but it's okay. This lighting is not it. Okay, it's fine. That's bad. Give me a sec. We're just gonna tap that out a little bit. Okay, sure, fine, whatever, that's good. I don't care. And then I also put it under my lip and a little bit on the tops to make them look more like voluminous and full, because my lips are not. That was way too much. Oh my god, this lighting's terrible. I don't normally work in this lighting. I only did this so that would look better on camera, and let me tell you, I don't know what I'm doing. It's like my whole routine is different. Okay, so finally finished that. Then I start to actually contour. I start with this brush, it's like a flat top, and I kind of take a little bit on the ends of the brush and then just push them into the bottom of my cheekbone and a little bit on the sides of my forehead, and then repeat the same thing on the other side. And I bring it kind of all over the hairline just so, you know, you want it to be in your hairline or else you'll kind of just look like a crazy person. So, yeah. And I bring it on the sides of my chin as well, just to kind of make everything look a little slimmer. More slim, I don't know English, whatever. Okay, so next step I go with my highlighter. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi highlighter. I only use like the lightest shade right here because my Becca highlighter completely shattered and broke, and it's really sad and depressing. So can't use that anymore, okay. I use this brush by Morphe, it's the E61. And I just put that on the top of my cheekbones. This is very subtle, but I honestly don't mind. I think it looks pretty. I don't always love the blinding highlighter because it's just like so obvious that it's not real. I mean, it's obvious that all this isn't real, but it's just like a lot sometimes. And I bring that on the tip of my nose and a little bit on the bridge. And sometimes I add it right here on my forehead. And then I go in with a smaller flat top brush like this. And this is when I highlight my brow bone. And just a little tip, if you use brow gel, I always make sure that I put the brow gel on after I highlight my brow bone, because then, like, if I put the brow gel on first and then I put the highlighter on, sometimes the highlighter gets stuck to the brow gel and that just looks really bad. So don't do that. And I put a little bit right on my Cupid's bow. Okay, that's fine. Next I'm going in with my blush. I use the MAC blush, it's very pink. It's called Flower Power, but it's spelled really weird. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, you can't. iPhones just suck, it's fine. And I take this brush from Morphe, it's the R14, and just pop that into the apples of my cheeks. And a little bit on the forehead. Oh my god, I forgot a big step. It's fine, it's fine. Okay, this is a bronzer that I use. This is L'Oreal's Lumi bronzer. And I put this on my cheekbones, but like above the matte bronzer. And a little bit on the forehead, whatever. And on the jawline. Kind of down the neck a little bit, just so I match a little better, you know. The struggle is real. All right, So next I'm going to curl my lashes, and then I'm gonna do my lips. And I just use this like Tweezer Man eyelash curler that I bought at like Rite Aid. I didn't start using an eyelash curler until like, I honestly have no idea, but it was not that long ago at all. Okay, this eye is like not cooperating with me at all, so that's sad. Also, all my eyelashes started falling out recently, probably because of midterm week and the stress, and my eyelashes literally just fall out when I'm stressed out, so that sucks, but yeah, that's just my life. Next I'm gonna be doing my lips. So for this step, I actually use chapstick first because when my lips are too dry, I just don't like the way that this lip liner looks. It's just too harsh for me. But I'm using the MAC lip liner in the shade Whirl. This is also not sharpened. Oh my god, I'm a disaster. And I just outline my whole lip. And then I kind of smear it around. And I just we're gonna add that lip gloss actually. I'm gonna take this lip gloss that I actually love. It just like is a perfect color for my skin tone. It's this is Maybelline in the color 065. That's all it says, so. And then just put that on a little in the middle. All right, now last but not least, I'm going to be applying my lashes, and I'm gonna do that off camera because I cannot apply lashes for the life of me, and it's gonna take like 20 minutes, so I'll be right back. All right, so I just applied my falsies. These are from Touch of Fancy in Fancy Bay. I really love these lashes. I got them from like a little shop on Instagram, and like they're just the prettiest lashes that I've ever had. I don't have a lot of fake lashes because I don't wear them. I don't have a reason to. So yeah, but I really like them out of all the lashes I've had. And now I'm just gonna take my mascara, and I'm gonna kind of, oh, by the way, I curl my lashes on camera, never mind. But I'm gonna kind of bind the lashes together a little bit and put this on my bottom lashes just to make this look a little more natural, even though it obviously doesn't look natural at all, but it's fine, okay? It's fine. Okay, this one doesn't want to glue down. All right, so that is the finished look, you guys. I hope you like it. So yeah, it's my first ever YouTube video. I'm very excited about it because I've been thinking about doing YouTube for literally years now. And I'm in college, I commute from home, don't have a lot to do. So I was like, you know what? I have so much extra time. Not really, but I'm gonna make it. I was like, I'm just gonna make time to do these YouTube videos because it's something that I've always wanted to do, and I think it's gonna be really fun. So if you like this video, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Please, new channel, you know, just trying to start out. I just want like 50 subscribers. Honestly, I could have 50 subscribers and like die happy, so. Okay, thank you, bye. Come again to my channel. Okay, bye.